there's a lot you can learn from a null result, and it's important to publish null results and really investigate them, just like you would a true positive. So there are a lot of really interesting things that came out of this study. One of them is just the development of the techniques. It's like, okay, so we finally, for the first time in 5 or 6 years in this program, we got the signal we were looking for. That's not the end. That just starts kind of this new chapter of like, what now? And so now we have developed software to go through and like work on these next steps. We developed a framework of like, okay, this is what you try first. This is the next experiment you try. Make sure you're getting coherent answers for each of these questions if you really want to claim this is an extraterrestrial signal detection. So that's a big part of the paper. And it also just worked as a great proof of concept. Like every time we run one of these searches, we get millions of hits, which like sounds like a lot. I know to a lot of people, like every time we look for aliens, we find millions of signals, but they're all human generated. And so sorting through those millions of signals to find the most interesting ones and then follow up on them is a really tricky problem. And this is kind of our first signal of interest in the Breakthrough the Sim program. And it's really exciting that our algorithms to find those things, like this proves that they're working as expected. And it allowed us to develop these next steps. So in that way, I think of it as a resounding success.